Did you misplace your glasses again? Walk into a room and forget why? Or struggle to recall a name that's right on the tip of your tongue? Well, here's the good news. It's not all just aging, and your diet may have a lot to do with it. In fact, what you eat after 65 can have a powerful impact on your brain, how you think, how you remember, and even how you feel. Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best foods to keep your brain healthy and sharp after 65. Whether you're looking to boost memory, improve focus, or simply stay mentally strong in your golden years, this video is for you. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's nourish that brilliant brain of yours. One, fatty fish. Let's start with a true superstar, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help build brain cells and reduce inflammation. What it does: supports memory, reduces risk of Alzheimer's, improves focus and mental clarity. How to enjoy it? Aim for 2 servings per week. Grill it, bake it, or add to a salad. Bonus tip: if you're not a fan of fish, omega-3 supplements are an easy backup, but talk to your doctor first. 2. Berries. Berries aren't just delicious, they're brain food, especially blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. What they do: deliver antioxidants that protect brain cells, improve communication between neurons, may delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years. Try this. Add berries to your oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. 3. Leafy greens. Your brain loves greens just as much as your body does. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, broccoli, rich in vitamin K, folate, beta-carotene, lutein. These help with slowing cognitive decline, enhancing memory, supporting overall brain function. Easy ideas. Make a green smoothie or saute with garlic and olive oil for a simple side dish. 4. Nuts and seeds. A handful a day keeps the brain fog away. Best choices: walnuts, especially good for memory, almonds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. What they give you: vitamin E, omega-3s, zinc, protection against cognitive decline. Tip: snack on raw or roasted, not too salty, or sprinkle seeds on your salad. 5. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard right. Chocolate can be brain food, but only the dark kind. At least 70% cocoa contains flavonoids, caffeine in small amounts, antioxidants. Benefits: enhances memory, boosts mood, improves blood flow to the brain. Enjoy. A small square a day is plenty. This is one indulgence that your brain will thank you for. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice with powerful brain-boosting properties. It helps improve memory, ease depression Symptoms: grow new brain cells thanks to curcumin. How to use it: add turmeric to soups, eggs, or mix it into warm milk with black pepper to help absorption. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your brain from damage. Benefits: reduces risk of dementia, supports healthy brain aging. Tip: cook tomatoes, like in sauce. Help release more lycopene. 8. Whole grains. The brain needs energy, and whole grains release it slowly throughout the day. Top choices: brown rice, oats, whole grain bread or pasta, quinoa. Benefits: improves focus, supports healthy blood flow, stabilizes mood. Easy meal. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries and flax seeds brain power in a bowl. 9. Green tea. Green tea offers calm alertness perfect for older adults. It contains caffeine, mild, Manasta, the Alanine boosts focus without the jitters. Antioxidants. How to enjoy. Sip in the morning or early afternoon. Add a splash of lemon for extra benefits. Quick recap. 1. Fatty fish. 2. Berries. 3. Leafy greens. 4. Nuts and seeds. 5. Dark chocolate. 6. Turmeric. 7. Tomatoes. 8. Whole grains. 9. Green tea. Add more of these to your diet, and your brain will thank you today, tomorrow, and for years to come. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Just start with one small change, maybe switch out a snack or add a veggie to dinner. Little steps taken consistently can lead to big improvements in brain health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like more tips to stay sharp, healthy, and happy after 65 AE, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Thanks for watching, and remember, your brain is amazing. Feed it well.